Caity Lotz is an American actress, dancer, and singer. He was born on December 30, 1986 in San Diego, California, United States. Lotz appeared in TV ads for Jack in the Box, Reebok, and T-Mobile, danced in the web series The Legend of Extraordinary Dancers, toured with the hip-hop theater production Groovaloo, and stunt-doubled in films including Step Up 3D. In 2005, Lotz joined the girl group Soccx. In 2006, the group released their debut single From Dusk Till Dawn, which they followed up in 2007 with the single Scream Out Loud, both of which reached the top 10 in Germany. Their debut album Hold On was also released in 2007, and their third single Can't Take My Eyes Off You was released in 2008. Lotz announced at Furry Events Ultimate Crisis, a fan convention in the UK, that she and Canadian actor Kylie Schmidt are engaged. Lotz is a martial artist training in Taekwondo, Wushu, Krav Maga, Arnis, and Muay Thai. She is also a practitioner of parkour and tricking. She had the lead role in the science fiction film The Machine, which had its UK release on March 21, 2014 and had its US release on April 25, 2014. She received the Toronto After Dark Film Festival Award for the Best Actress for her performance in The Machine. In May 2014, she reprised her role as Stephanie in the 7th season of Mad Men. She also played Dr. Emily McTire in the film 400 Days, along with the Legends of Tomorrow co-star Brandon Routh in 2016. In 2012, Lotz had roles in Live at the Fox's Den, Battle of the Year alongside Josh Holloway and alongside Casper Van Dien, and Agnes Brackner in the supernatural thriller The Pact, which debuted at the 2012 Sundance Film Festival and has been picked up for distribution. Starting in Season 2 of Arrow, Lotz appeared as Sarah Lance, a character believed dead who returns as a costumed vigilante known as the Canary. Lotz continued as Sarah Lance or White Canary in Legends of Tomorrow on Arrow spin-off in Season 2, transitioning from team member to captain. She would go on to make her directorial debut in the series' 5th season episode Mortal Kombat. In 2011, Lotz starred as Officer Kristen Landry, one of the main characters in the MTV horror black comedy mockumentary series Death Valley. Lotz performed all her own stunts on the show. Lotz did her acting training at Sanford, Missouri for 2 years. Lotz began her acting career in 2006 with a small role in the cheerleading film Bring It On, All or Nothing. She followed that up in 2010 with a part in the 3rd episode of Law and Order, LA, and a recurring role in the 4th season of the AMC drama Mad Men as Stephanie Anna Draper's niece. She is also a co-founder of She Therapy, a women's empowerment organization.